If you're tired of staring at a blank screen, wondering why your content takes longer to produce than a NASA launch checklist, you're not alone. And if your online business has been moving slower than dial-up internet, well, welcome to the club. AI Turbo Creator claims it can fix that. No tech headaches, no coding, no 12-hour tutorials. So let's see if this thing actually delivers, or if it's just another shiny tool collecting digital dust. Hey, Kamal here from TestedApps.com. 6 years deep into affiliate marketing, SEO, and testing more tools than I'd like to admit. I've seen software that promised the moon and delivered a pebble. Today, I'm giving you a straight, honest breakdown of AI Turbo Creator. No hype, no fluff, just real talk and real results. And quick heads up, if you decide AI Turbo Creator is for you, grab it using my link below. I put together bonuses that actually move the needle. No recycled PDFs, real tools, real value, all inside the description. AI Turbo Creator is a complete training system built for beginners, freelancers, creators, and affiliate marketers who want to build online assets using AI. The big promise? Create content, digital products, automations, and funnels without needing tech skills. You learn how to turn ideas into blogs, videos, templates, email sequences, lead magnets, and even small automation systems, all step by step, all beginner-friendly. It works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get inside the members area. It's easier than setting up a Gmail account. No fancy dashboard trying to host NASA, just clean lessons. Step 2. Follow the workflows. You simply mimic what's shown on screen. ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, Zapier, no PhD required. Step 3. Launch your projects. One workflow creates content, another makes digital products, another automates tasks, and just like that, things start moving without you manually doing everything. It's basically plug and play for beginners who want speed instead of stress. Here's what actually makes this course worth your brain cells. Benefit 1. AI content and automation. You learn to create blogs, YouTube scripts, newsletters, and social posts fast. Great if you've been crying into your coffee while trying to write content. Benefit 2. Digital product creation. You'll build ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, and mini courses without spending a lifetime designing them. Digital products lead to passive income, and passive income leads to, well, happiness. Benefit 3. Affiliate marketing and email systems. You learn to build funnels, lead magnets, and automated follow-ups. This is perfect if your current email system looks like an abandoned warehouse. Benefit 4. Freelancing and microservices. Want clients? Instead of stressing over huge projects, you can offer small AI-powered services that take minutes, not hours. These aren't random lessons. They're proven workflows used by real creators. The front-end price is $29. Let's put that into perspective. Most AI automation courses run $97 to $300. Platforms like Jasper charge $49 every single month, and that adds up to almost $600 a year. AI Turbo Creator is a one-time investment. Pay once, learn forever. No subscription chasing you like a gym membership. There are a few optional upgrades in the funnel. OTO1, $19.95. You get advanced tutorials, extra workflows, and deeper strategies. Grab this if you want to go beyond basics. OTO2, $37. This gives you reseller rights for 3 products. You keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel. If you're an affiliate marketer, this is my top pick because it turns the product into a revenue stream. OTO3, $24.95. Another reseller option, but only for AI Turbo Creator. If you already grabbed the 3-product bundle, skip this. There are also small upgrades around $7 to $12 for AI income blueprints, ChatGPT microservices, and AI email training. Nice if you want extra guidance. Now, my experience. I tested AI Turbo Creator the same way I test every tool. I run it through real workflows I use for my SEO and marketing clients. The content framework saved me hours. The digital product templates helped me build a lead magnet in under 10 minutes. The automation lessons are simplified enough that even a total beginner won't panic. And trust me, that's rare. It's not flashy, it's not cinematic, but it works. And at this price, the value is solid. Let me be real here. It's not magic. You won't push a button and wake up with passive income. You still need to watch the lessons. You still need to implement. If you're allergic to taking action or expecting robots to do your entire business for you, this won't help. It's built for people who want guidance and systems, not shortcuts. But picture this. Imagine waking up and having a content system that actually works. Imagine building digital products without wrestling with design tools. Imagine automation handling tasks that used to drain your time. That's what AI Turbo Creator unlocks. If you want to move faster with less overwhelm, grab it while the launch price is still low. You'll find the link below. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more real reviews. Kamal from TestedApps.com. See you in the next one.